Hi, I'm Andy Heller. I've been investing in real estate for more than 35 years, and if there's one thing I've learned, it's this. Success follows a simple, repeatable system. Not luck, not timing. A system. Why this training exists. Most new investors never see behind the curtain. They don't learn how deals are actually found, analyzed, negotiated, and managed. Instead, they get flooded with hype, shortcuts, and complicated strategies that don't work in the real world. That's why we created this recorded seminar, so you can learn the real strategy the right way, at your own pace. Inside this recorded program, you'll learn how to consistently buy properties below market value, how to structure leases that protect you and attract quality tenants, how to create cash flow without gambling on market timing, how to reduce risk and avoid mistakes most beginners make, how to build a path toward long-term financial freedom. This is the exact system Fortune magazine recommended as a top 5 real estate investing strategy, and the same one thousands of my students have used to close deals and build steady passive income. If you've wanted to invest but didn't know where to begin, this is the best place to start. Learn the strategy step by step anytime on your schedule. Get instant access to the recorded seminar and begin your journey today.